In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can private label any dropshipping product without having to order a minimum order quantity. So this means that you can actually dropship your product with your logo on the packaging and on the product without having to order the product in bulk. And this is going to allow you to actually create a brand around your product and to create a long-term business. So let's just say, for example, we wanted to go and private label this product here. As you can see, this is a hydrogen water bottle and the logo says Nouveau Hill. So on the screen, I'm going to show you some images of what the packaging will look like and what the logo will look like once it's printed on the actual product itself. And you can design the packaging however you want so that it is completely branded to match the rest of your store. So if you see the example packaging I'm showing on the screen now, as you can see, the colors and fonts match the rest of the store. So you can create a cohesive brand around your product. And as I mentioned, you can do this with no minimum order quantities. You're just drop shipping the products one at a time. So you don't have to order the products in bulk. So in order to do this, we will be using a dropshipping agent called BS Dropshipping. So all you need to do is go over to app.bsdropshipping.com. I will leave a link in the description, and you can click on sign up now to create an account and start using their private label service. Now, I already have an account with BS Dropshipping, so I'm just going to log into their account. So once you have signed up for a BS Dropshipping account, before you can start using their private labeling service, you will need to connect your Shopify store to their app. So in order to do this, you can head over to your Shopify store, click on settings, click on domains, and you do need to find your original Shopify store domain. So click on this and just copy the sequence of characters before it says .myshopify.com. So copy this, head back to your BS Dropshipping account, paste this in here, and click on confirm. You'll then be brought over to your Shopify store and you need to install the BS Dropshipping Shopify app. So click on install and then you will be brought back to your BS Dropshipping account and you should see that your store has now been connected to your BS Dropshipping account. So in order to actually private label a product with custom packaging and with your logo printed on the product, you need to go over to sourcing and you can create a sourcing request for the product that you're selling. Now, ideally, you should already have the product imported to your store. So you might have imported it from AliExpress or another supplier. If you have done this, you can click on have products on your store already. Just click below for quick sourcing. So click on this link. You will see select shop. So select your shop. And from here, you should see all of the products that are already published in your store. If you don't, just click on import store product and then choose your store and click on confirm. You can then just refresh the screen and now you are going to request a quote for your product before you can start using the private labeling service. So you can come over to your product and click on ask quote. Are you ready to dive into the world of dropshipping success? Are you tired of navigating the choppy waters of dropshipping alone? Are you ready to join a community of like-minded individuals who are just as passionate about e-commerce success as you are? Well, you're in the right place. Introducing Dropship Discovery, the ultimate private community designed exclusively for dropshippers just like you. Picture this. A community where knowledge is shared freely, success stories are celebrated, and where every question you have about dropshipping is answered with precision. That's what awaits you inside Dropship Discovery. But there's more. By joining Dropship Discovery, you're not just signing up for a community, you're taking the first step towards something truly impactful. Here's what you get as a community member. You get exclusive access to an in-depth case study that takes you behind the scenes of a Shopify dropshipping store that has done over $685K in revenue. You'll see the store design, all of the best-selling products, all of the ad campaigns, suppliers, and back-end systems. You'll also get exclusive access to step-by-step tutorials that guide you through every aspect of branded dropshipping, live webinars where industry experts share their secrets, and engaging Q&A sessions where you can get personalized advice from myself and other seasoned dropshippers. So what are you waiting for? Join our community today and become part of something truly special. Your journey to e-commerce success starts here at Dropship Discovery. Click the button around this video and let's build your dropshipping empire together. Once you click on Ask Quote and request a quote for your product, after about 12 to 24 hours, you will get your quote back for your product. So you will see that the button now says View Quote. So you can click on View Quote for the product that you want to private label. And then you will be brought over to the quotations page. And from here, you can click on Check Price of the quote. You will then be brought to the quote of the product. You can choose the ship from country, and you can choose the country that you want to sell to. So for example, if I just scroll down and I go and choose United Kingdom for this product, I can then go and choose the shipping for this product, and we can see the final quotation for this product. As you can see, it's just over $16. This includes shipping and the handling fee, as well as the product cost as well. So now, once you're ready to set this product up as a private label dropshipping product, you can click on Add to My Products. And once you have done that, you can go to Products and you can click on Product Connection. And under Product Connection, you will now see the product that we just got our quotation for. And from here, you can set up the branding. Now, in order to actually set up the branding, you need to upload your store's logo and also the packaging that you want to use for the product. So in order to do this, you can click on Products, click on Packaging, and firstly, you can go and upload your store's logo. Now, ideally, your store's logo should be an Adobe Illustrator file or a PDF file. So you will see my logo, so just click on this. And from here, you can scroll down in order to upload your store's logo. And this is the logo that will be printed on the actual product. So where it says click, just click on this. Navigate to your store's logo. So like I say, this should be an Adobe Illustrator file or a PDF file. But if you use an Adobe Illustrator file, you will get a better quality print on the product. So as you can see, here is my logo file, an Adobe Illustrator file, and I'm just going to click on Open. And once you have uploaded this file, you can give this file a name. So you can just go and put in your store's name and put logo at the end, and you can go and choose the size. Don't worry too much about choosing the size, because BS Dropshipping will go and print the logo on the product with the correct sizing anyway. So we're just going to leave this as default large and click on Next. Once you have uploaded your store's logo, on the right hand side you will see Preview Coming Soon. So don't worry too much about this. BS Dropshipping are just processing your logo file that will be printed on your product. Next up, you can go and upload the packaging that you want to use for the product. So you can click on My Product Packaging. Now from here, you can go and upload your product packaging for your product as well. Now in order to get product packaging designs, I use this Fiverr gig here. I've used this Fiverr gig for many products to design product packaging for private label dropshipping products. All you need to do is order the gig, and then you go and submit your requirements for your product packaging. So as you can see, I've said, hi there, I hope you're well. I'm looking for a sleek box design. Here is my product. I have pasted in the AliExpress link of the product. I have attached my logo AI file, that's an Adobe Illustrator file, so you can change the colors if need be and add it to the box. Then I've actually measured the box. So what you'll want to do is you want to actually order a sample of your product and measure the box that it comes in so you get the correct measurements for the box that you want to create. So I've just said the box height is 21.5 centimeters and 7.5 centimeters is the width. My brand font is Poppins, so you can go and send them your brand guidelines. So I've sent them the brand font and the brand colors. These are the hex codes that have been used on the website. And then after a few days, you will go and get the PDF and Adobe Illustrator files of the packaging for your product. So as you can see, this is some really excellent packaging for the product. On here, we have some key features and benefits of the product, and it is completely branded to match the rest of the store. As you can see, it also has the logo on it and the same colors and fonts. So this is going to create a really great experience once the customer actually receives the product, and this will help you to build a long-term brand around your Shopify dropshipping store. So once you receive this PDF file and Adobe Illustrator file back from the Fiverr gig, you can come back over to BS Dropshipping under My Product Packaging, where it says click, just click on this, and you can choose your brand packaging file and click on Open. Once again, you can go and name this file. So I recommend to just name it after the product that the packaging belongs to. you can just go and choose large. Again, it doesn't really matter because the packaging will be printed correctly to fit the size of the product, and BS Dropshipping will sort this out for you. So once your packaging file has finished uploading, you can just click on next. Again, on the right hand side, you will see preview coming soon. So don't worry too much about this. BS Dropshipping will sort everything else out when it comes to getting the product packaging correct for your product. Now you can also go and upload thank you cards and shipping packaging as well. So product packaging is for the actual product, and shipping packaging is the packaging that the product will be shipped in. So you can go and get designs for thank you cards and shipping packaging using the same Fiverr gig, or of course you can go and design them yourself if you have good design skills. But personally, my design skills are not great. That's why I use Fiverr gigs. So once you have uploaded all of your logos and your packaging designs, again, you can come to products and click on product connection. And now you're ready to set up the branding for your quoted product, so you can start dropshipping the product with your logo and custom packaging. So you can click on branding, and firstly, you can go and upload your store's logo so the logo gets printed on the product. So where it says insert logo, click on select, and you can choose the logo that we just uploaded. So I'm just going to select this, and now you will see this green tick to indicate that the logo has been connected to the product. And next up, you can go and upload your product packaging. So again, you can click on select, and you should see your product packaging design here as well. So you can just select that to connect that as your product packaging. Now, if you don't see it here, as you can see for me, it says your search returned no results. Don't worry, that just means that you're waiting for a quote on your product packaging. So if we come back to products and we click on products, and again we click on packaging, and if we click on my product packaging, you will see that it says waiting for quotation, because BS Dropshipping need to give you a quote per box for the custom packaging for your product. So like I say, don't worry too much. They will come back to you with a quote, and they will contact you via WhatsApp to let you know the quotation for the product packaging, shipping packaging, and thank you cards. But once you have got that quotation, as I showed you, you can just go to products, go to product connection, click on branding, and when you scroll down, you can simply go and select your product packaging, shipping packaging, and wish card by clicking on select and choosing your design. Now, as it stands, this product will have the logo printed on the actual product. So we can see if we click on view, and as you can see, we have that logo that we selected, and it is connected to our product. So now anytime an order comes through from your Shopify store, you can come over to orders, and from here you will see the orders that have been synced from your Shopify store, and BS Dropshipping will go and fulfill those orders. They will go and print the logo on the product, and they will fulfill the orders with custom product packaging, custom shipping packaging, and thank you cards, providing that you have uploaded designs for all of those types of packaging. And as I say, BS Dropshipping will go and fulfill those orders for you. Now, if you want to double check that your logo has been printed on your product and that your product has been shipped out with custom packaging, you can click on the arrow on the right hand side under an order, and in here you will see that your logo has been added to the product. And then finally, you will see the tracking number. The tracking numbers will be updated by BS Dropshipping. They will sync to Shopify, and they will be sent directly to your customer, so your customer gets email notifications regarding the tracking of their product. So there you have it. That is how you can start private labeling any Shopify dropshipping product without having to order the product in bulk or without having to order a minimum order quantity of the product. I will leave a link in the description to BS Dropshipping so you can check out their private label services for yourself. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce content, and also check out my private community, Dropship Discovery, if you want to get closer access to me and live Q&A sessions. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one.